Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Explorer. Stock number is 17F1284A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row seating, and your second row seats are heated seats. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, navigation, and climate controls as well. You have dual climate control down here, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Explorer on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.